Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will explain how to study for College Placement Test Easy Guide. Start by mapping the subjects covered and writing clear weekly goals to guide study time. Break study into focused, 30 to 60-minute sessions and rotate topics to keep learning fresh. Use a mix of concept review, practice problems, and timed minute tests to build familiarity and speed. Check your progress weekly and adjust the plan for steady improvement. Warm up with a quick diagnostic test to identify strength and weak spots before you begin targeted practice. Focus on timed practice to improve pacing, then analyze every error to understand the root cause and avoid repeats. Create concise error logs and revise them nightly, emphasizing patterns and frequent question types. Short, frequent practice beats long cram sessions, and consistency will boost both confidence and scores as test day approaches. If this video is helping you, please subscribe and hit like to support more helpful guides. Quick recommendation. I love the book The Simple Path to Wealth as a useful read between study sessions, and it pairs oddly well with budgeting test prep time. Check the description for the link and other deals if you want it. Thanks for watching, and now, let's get back to the video. Gather a few trusted resources like official sample items and a compact review book to streamline study. Supplement reading with short video lessons for topics that need visual explanation, and schedule weekly review blocks to reinforce memory. Use practice flashcards for formulas or vocabulary and rotate them with problem sets. If possible, study with one partner or a tutor for targeted feedback and faster progress toward your goal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.